If you are manually checking every inbound lead, you are wasting time. In this video, I'll show you how I built an AI agent that automatically qualifies inbound leads and routes them to the right team. Hi, my name is Pankaj and I build AI automations from scratch, and I document everything I build step by step. This agent reads the form submission, understands what the company does, decides whether the lead is good fit for us, and then automatically sends an email to the right team, or a rejection email is sent if it's not a fit. Let me quickly show you what it looks like in action. So first we fill up a form. Press submit. So now the AI agent is doing its job, getting all the information from their website. All done. So there you go. The agent just qualified the lead and sent an email to our SaaS team notifying them that there's a new lead to check out. And if you go back to my inbox, and you can check new SaaS lead. Now I'll walk you through how this workflow is built step by step. I'll focus on the logic here, not every single click. You can pause the video or grab the templates from the description if you want to follow along. So in n8n, we create a new workflow. The workflow starts with a form submission where the prospect enters their details. So now we'll build up the form. Then we go back, attach our AI agent. Here, put the prompt in. I have this prompt already saved, so I'll just copy and paste up here. Then we add a system message. To save time, I have this prompt saved, so I'll just copy and paste up here. As always, you'll have to have an OpenAI account and have some credit in there. Next, the AI agent uses a website scraper tool called AirTop to pull data from the company's website. This gives AI agent enough context to understand what the company actually does. You can also use Relevance AI to scrape LinkedIn for more personalized data, but that adds to the cost. And for URL, you drag the company website out here. After that, I clean up and standardize the AI output so it can be used reliably by our decision logic. Here I have all the code saved, so I'll just copy and paste from there. There you go. So when we execute a step, it basically removes the most important data and passes along. Then we attach a if node. This will be a qualifier. This qualifier decides whether the lead is a good fit for the company. If not, a rejection email is sent automatically. We'll rename this as head qualifier. Email, we'll rename this as rejection email. And we'll attach another if node. We'll name this as a classifier. So if the lead is qualified, the classifier decides whether it's a SaaS company or an agency, and then it sends an email to the appropriate team. So basic structure is ready. We'll just set the fields up. Lead score. This is actually email. We drag from the form submission. Thank you for your interest. Here I'll put my SaaS team's email address. New SaaS lead. I can add more details so our SaaS team knows who they are. Full name, company, we'll put the email address. We do the same with the agency email address. New. There you have it. That's the full build. From form submission to a qualified lead landing in the right inbox. And if you check the inbox, that's the email, new SaaS lead. So all that happens automatically without anyone manually checking the lead. Just to put this into perspective, manually qualifying a single inbound lead usually takes around 3 to 5 minutes. That's opening the form, checking their website, understanding what the company does, and deciding whether it should go. Say if you're getting 5 leads a day, that's roughly 25 minutes every day just reading leads. Over a month, that's easily 8 to 10 hours spent on something that doesn't actually need human judgment. With this automation, that entire process takes a few seconds, and the team only sees leads that are already qualified and routed correctly. So, instead of spending hours every month filtering leads, your team can focus on actually talking to the right prospects. I've included this workflow template in the description below, so you can import it directly into your another instance. If you want to learn how to send emails using Telegram while you're on the move, check out my last video where I built AI email agent step by step. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what would you like to automate next. Thank you.